Schneider Master Pact air circuit breaker. We are going to do the maintenance work for the air circuit breaker. This one 2500 amps breaker, model Master Pact NW25H. And this one spring charge lever, on off push button, Micrologic 5.0 our controller. So this is the trip reset button. Now we are going to remove this one for maintenance. Okay, remove this one. Okay, so this one is under voltage coil MN or MX2. This space is for shunted trip, MX1, XF for closing coil. So now we already released the under voltage coil because now there is no supply, so we have to release this one. This under voltage coil, the knob always outside, it is pushing the tripping lever. This one inside have tripping lever. This one push, it will always pushing the tripping lever. When we give the supply voltage, the normal supply coming to our bus bar, it will energize to inside. So when it is getting energized, this tripping lever move towards upward, so that time we can able to switch on without supply. So for that reason I already remove the under voltage coil. If under voltage coil is there, we cannot energize the breaker. This one for control supply. This terminal for MN or MX2 under voltage trip, MX2. This one MX1 for shunted trip, or MX1 it is for XF closing coil. This one MCH spring charge, auto spring charge motor for this one. This one arc shoot, we already remove the arc shoot. Arc shoot we already remove. Just we remove this 2 bolt and gently take it out. Yes, okay, yes. This one our fixed contact and movable contact. There have too much carbon inside, so now we are going to clean this one with CRC. Before that I will check the mechanism of breaker. It is on or off. We have trip button here. If suppose breaker getting trip, we need to reset here. This one inside have latch, trip reset latch. This one where I put screwdriver. This one our trip reset latch. When the breaker getting trip, it will come outside. So this red color button also coming outside. We need to push this button. This lever will go inside. This lever, it will press this trip latch towards the inside. After we can able to switch on the breaker. Now we are going to energize the breaker. Spring charge. This one to one. Once spring getting charged, it became a loose. Otherwise after there is no tight. So just I am going to close. I already remove my under voltage coil. So after remove the under voltage coil only we can energize the breaker. We can able to energize the breaker. Otherwise it will not going to close. So now I already remove. Now I am going to close. Breaker already closed. The status on position. Spring discharged. So again I am going to trip. Breaker trip already. Again the next time, one more time we will do. Breaker spring charge. Spring already charged. Close.